Since meron na tayong section, we can now proceed with attendance checker. Press attendance checker sa left panel, select the section, and then load the date na gusto nating i-check for the attendance. Let's have April 1, 2026, and then click load. Magpapakita lahat ng learners dito, and by default, lahat sila ay absent. So, pwede natin silang i-present by clicking the check button. Or pwedeng i-mark all as present and then untick yung mga absent. And then pwede nyo ilagay kung ano rason kung bakit absent yung bata. Additionally, if the learner transferred out, transferred in, or dropped out, pwede natin silang itag by pressing the drop-down arrow. And then once settled na tayo sa attendance for that day, just click save. Bali na save na yung attendance natin for April 1. We have also a setting in the attendance checker to set all the weekends to be holiday. Pag sinabing holiday, hindi siya makakount as school days. Click lang ang weekends holidays button. Click OK, so lahat na ng Saturdays and Sundays ay naging holiday na. Once na matapos kayo sa attendance checker, you can now see the progress of the learners by pressing the month progress. And you can also download the SF2 which is ready for printing.